So here I'm with this 2013 Kia Optima GDI engine, whatever it means. And he called me earlier this morning, about 5 this morning. And then about 9 this morning, and the belt shredded off. So he thought it was the battery, it wasn't the battery. And then he bought a new battery. It's a brand new battery. 324, brand new battery. And he looked at it because I was at work, and I told him, see, there's an engine on the front or the side of the car. So come look, the belt all wrapped around it, and you can see this part. You can see whatever this is. I don't know if it's a tensioner or the pulley, but it was sitting sideways. But anyway, that pulley is bad. Now I don't know nothing much about this car or the engine, so I get here trying to figure out how to put it. I believe it's the tension because it moves upon pressure, a tool on there. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that off in order to move this off with no load being on this tensioner. Because if the belt was on there, I can easily break it off. But then again, I really don't have the tools to be doing anything engine work on the side of the vehicle that sits sideways. So I was trying to figure out how to get it off. So I started taking the bolt off for the alternator because I was going to move the alternator out the way and try to take that off. But I ran into a problem because I don't have no tool or no space in here to pull the bottom bolt of the alternator off. So I'm back to square one. And I had to loosen up this cooling hose line to move this bolt out. But still run into another problem. Not having the right tools to be able to get to the side. I don't have an angle impact or a ratchet that can flip or bend or whatever. So I'm finna give up on this, and I don't have no money to buy no tools to an angle ratchet that can flip and fold, however you call it. So I don't know. Damn. All right, so after fighting with this thing, I was finally able to get it loose. Instead of taking the alternator off, I took one pulley off. Then I believe this is the tensioner pulley. I'm not sure, but this was messed up. It cracked off, as you can see. It cracked there, and it cracked there. So I just found the way to take the pulley off without it being under tension, and the bolt started coming loose. So I was able to get this off. And this car came from where? New York. The engine came from New York.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I could feel the salt on this thing. Or feel some type of grit. It's not out here. But anyway, I got it off. Now we're going to see what's next plan. See if we can find out where to get that piece from and put it back together. I guess. I hope so.
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to my YouTube people, man.
Oh, they telling you, they talking back to you?
No, they ain't talking back to me. I'm just recording.
I thought they.
No, I'm just recording. Then I'm going to upload it on YouTube.
Oh, I was about to say, who the motherfucker talking to? They talking back to you.